Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The culture file presentation number 1. Land, air and water. When we talk about culture or environment, we just come to know one important point, that this earth, this land is having different particulars and different material and matters on it. This earth is having land, this earth is having air around it, and it is supported by water. Now today in this particular experiment and the practical, we are going to show and tell you about what is land, air and water plays its role. Here the directress is having few objects with her, a brown container, a sponge, tray, a spoon for soil, and sometimes she is having some different living and non-living object that can be seen and found on the earth. Here the land. The land is made up of soil. So the directress is going to tell a child how and what soil play its role. Which things can be found on soil, which things can be grown on soil, and where we can see the soil. That is definitely on the land. Secondly, she is going to tell about water. As you know, students, you have seen the globe, the earth formed, so you know the water is having a big and huge portion. Now the directress is going to tell the child what things can be seen and found in water, on water, near water. What and how we can use water. The source, and the ways, the usage and combinations. Thirdly, she is going to tell about air. Air that cannot be seen, but things can be found in air. The gases, the articles, the object, some transportations, some objects that are made up of air or might be used by the air. Simply, if we talk about a balloon, it has air in it and it flies over the sky due to air. The air can blow down the candle. The air keeps an aeroplane in the sky. The butterfly, the kite, and this is like most of the things that can be shown and seen by the directress, which can be found in air as well as different gases. Thank you so much.